how to upload TikTok video without losing quality. So first of all, I'll show you some suggestions you have to try. So number one is use 4K scenes. This might be obvious, and yes, TikTok does compress 4K videos to 1080p, but you can still see a difference. At least I can see one. Number two, what you have to do is enable HD uploads. When you upload your video, you should see an option that says allow high quality uploads. Enable that. It used to be under the more section. I think that's what it was called. You can see this option clearly here, so you have to toggle it on. Apparently not even has it, and I am not sure what unlocks it. A few people are saying you'll get it when you hit 1K, and some got it just like 2 days after they created their account. If you don't have it, you can try the next step. So thirdly, post from your PC and laptop. If your quality is bad when you post on your phone, or you don't have the upload in higher quality option, you can try to post from your PC or laptop. A few people said that their quality is so much better, and I am pretty sure the option is automatically enabled. I tried it and it looked as good. So number 4, turn off data saver mode. So go to your setting, scroll down until you see data saver, click on it and turn it off. On number 5, you need good Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is good. An article said you should at least have 2 bars. Don't know if that's true, but worth a try. If you have less than 2, you can try to get closer to your Wi-Fi router. Number 6, file size and specs. So TikTok recommends uploading videos in 250 MB in the size of the clip if uploaded from an iOS devices. 75 MB is for Android, H.264 codec, 1080 by 920 aspect ratio, MP4 or MOV type, vertical video format. Number 7, enhance. Make sure enhance is turned off. You can find it when you post your video below the filters and text like this. So you have to turn it off. So these are all of the tips I have. If you have more, feel free to comment them. And if you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.